Have you ever found yourself puzzled by your radishes? Maybe you've planted them with care, watered them diligently, and yet, they just don't seem to thrive. Their leaves droop, their roots stay small, and you're left wondering what went wrong. Are your radishes struggling to thrive despite your best efforts? The answer might not be in your soil, your watering schedule, or even the weather. The secret could be hiding right next to your radishes, in the plants that share their space. In the world of gardening, who your radishes grow beside can make all the difference. Imagine a garden where every plant is part of a team, working together to create a thriving ecosystem. Stay tuned, because in this chapter, we'll reveal the must-have companions that can transform your radish patch from lackluster to lush. You'll learn how the right neighbors can boost growth, deter pests, and even improve flavor. There's a quiet magic in a well-tended vegetable patch, a secret handshake between plants that goes unseen by most gardeners. This invisible network of support is what makes some gardens flourish while others falter. When you understand this, you unlock a new level of gardening success. Today, we're tuning in to the radish's story. We'll explore how its neighbors, those seemingly ordinary plants growing nearby, can make all the difference between a disappointing harvest and a basket brimming with crisp, delicious radishes. Sometimes, despite your care, radishes can disappoint. They might turn out small, woody, or riddled with holes from hungry pests. It's easy to blame yourself, but often, the problem is simply that your radishes are lonely, lacking the right companions to help them thrive. Certain plants like marigolds, lettuce, and carrots can act as bodyguards and best friends for your radishes. Marigolds help keep harmful insects at bay, while lettuce provides shade and keeps the soil cool. Carrots, with their deep roots, loosen the soil, making it easier for radishes to grow plump and round. The solution to your radish woes isn't found in a bottle of fertilizer or pesticide, it's found in the company they keep. By choosing the right companions, you create a natural support system that helps every plant reach its full potential. Companion planting is more than just a gardening technique, it's the art of building a plant community. In this community, each member brings something unique to the table, supporting and protecting one another in ways that science is only beginning to understand. So let's dig in and uncover the best friends your radishes can have. With the right companions, your garden will become a place of abundance, beauty, and harmony, where every radish tells a story of connection and care. Our first companion is a classic, the humble carrot. Carrots have been a staple in gardens for centuries, loved for their sweet crunch and vibrant color. But did you know that carrots are also one of the best team players in the vegetable patch? Their ability to thrive alongside other crops makes them a favorite for gardeners looking to maximize their harvests and keep their soil healthy. One of the best companions for carrots is the radish. Radishes and carrots are a perfect pair, not competitors. While they may look different above ground, below the surface they work together in harmony, each bringing unique benefits to the other. Radishes are known for their speedy growth. They sprout and mature much faster than carrots, often being ready to harvest in just a few weeks. As radishes push their roots through the soil, they naturally break up compacted earth, creating channels and pockets of air. This process is incredibly helpful for carrots, which have delicate, slender roots that can struggle in heavy or clumpy soil. To take advantage of this partnership, simply sow carrot and radish seeds together in the same row. The radishes will sprout first, sending up leafy greens and quickly establishing themselves. As they grow, their roots loosen the earth, making it easier for the slower-growing carrot seedlings to push down and develop long, straight roots. When it's time to harvest the radishes, you'll notice that pulling them up leaves small holes and aerated soil behind. This is perfect timing, as the carrots are just beginning to bulk up and need extra space and loose soil to grow their best. The act of harvesting radishes naturally thins the row, giving carrots more room to expand. The result? Straighter, healthier carrots and two delicious crops from a single row. This method not only saves space but also increases your overall yield, making your garden more productive without any extra effort. The quick harvest of radishes also helps with spacing. As you remove the radishes, you automatically thin out the carrot seedlings, which is a crucial step for growing robust carrots. This natural thinning process means less work for you and healthier plants overall, but the benefits don't stop there. Carrots and radishes both have strong, distinctive scents that can confuse common garden pests. Root maggots and carrot flies, which can devastate crops, have a harder time finding their targets when these two vegetables are grown together. This natural pest deterrent means fewer chemicals and a healthier garden ecosystem. Think of it as a relay race in your garden. Radishes start strong and finish early, while carrots take their time and finish well. This staggered harvest keeps your garden productive throughout the season and ensures you always have something fresh to pick. With just a little planning, you can create a more productive, resilient, and pest-resistant vegetable patch. Companion planting carrots and radishes is a simple technique that brings big rewards, both in terms of harvest and soil health. So the next time you're planting your garden, try this easy partnership. You'll enjoy a double harvest, healthier soil, and a thriving, beautiful garden bed, all thanks to the teamwork of carrots and radishes. Next up, let's talk about lettuce, a leafy companion that's more than just a salad staple. In the garden, lettuce plays a unique role above ground, offering benefits that go far beyond its delicious, crisp leaves. When you plant lettuce alongside other crops, especially radishes, you're setting up a partnership that helps both plants thrive. Lettuce's broad, tender leaves act as a living mulch, spreading out to create a natural canopy that shades the soil beneath. This living mulch is incredibly effective at keeping the soil cool and moist, which is especially important during the warmer months when the sun can quickly dry out exposed earth. By blocking direct sunlight, lettuce helps maintain a stable environment for the roots of nearby plants. This cooling effect is particularly helpful for radishes. Radishes are prone to bolting, that is, sending up flowers and turning woody, when the soil gets too warm. But with lettuce providing shade, radish roots stay cool, tender, and crisp, resulting in a sweeter, more flavorful harvest. The partnership between these two crops is a classic example of companion planting at its best. The shade from lettuce doesn't just benefit the radishes, it also helps you as a gardener. By reducing water evaporation from the soil, you'll find yourself watering less often, saving both time and resources. The soil stays moist longer, which is ideal for both lettuce and radishes, as they both prefer consistent moisture for optimal growth. To make the most of this partnership, plant radish seeds between young lettuce plants. Radishes grow quickly, and will be ready to harvest in just a few weeks, often before the lettuce needs the extra space. This means you can maximize your garden bed, getting two crops from the same area without competition. Both crops thrive in similar cool, moist conditions, making them natural neighbors in the garden. Their growth habits complement each other, with lettuce providing shelter and radishes making efficient use of the space below. When it's time to harvest, simply pull the radishes from between the lettuce plants. This can be done with minimal disturbance, allowing the lettuce to continue growing and filling out the space. It's a gentle process that keeps your garden productive and tidy. This method creates a space-saving continuous harvest system. As you pick radishes, the lettuce has more room to expand, and you can even sow a second round of radish seeds for another quick crop before the lettuce matures fully. For crisp, flavorful radishes and lush, healthy lettuce, let them share a bed. This simple companion planting technique not only saves space but also boosts your harvest, making your garden more productive and beautiful all season long. Now let's talk about peas, the soil enrichers. Peas fix nitrogen in the soil thanks to their partnership with rhizobia bacteria. This extra nitrogen benefits leafy crops like radishes, fueling strong leaf and root growth. Peas grow vertically so they don't shade out radishes below. Plant radishes at the base of your pea trellis for a double harvest and improved soil. This partnership is regenerative. Peas leave the soil richer for future crops. It's a natural, ongoing fertilization system, no chemicals needed. Peas are the generous benefactors of your radish patch. Grow them together for healthier plants and a more abundant harvest. Sometimes the best companions are those with similar needs, like radishes and spinach. Both are cool season crops, thriving in the same conditions and growing at similar rates. Sow them together for a simple, unified care routine. Same soil, same watering, same mulch. Alternate rows, or mix them in a patch. There's little competition for space or light. Spinach's broad leaves can shade the soil, helping radishes stay cool and tender. Their harvest windows align, so you get fresh salads from one bed. Succession sow for a continuous supply through spring and fall. This is a partnership of simplicity and abundance. Now for a partnership built on mutual protection, radishes and cucumbers. Radishes deter cucumber beetles, protecting cucumber vines from damage and disease. Plant radishes around cucumber mounds or at the base of trellises to create a pest barrier. In return, cucumber vines shade the soil and deter flea beetles from attacking radishes. The timing works. Radishes are harvested before cucumbers sprawl. This natural pest control means fewer chemicals and healthier crops. Interplanting confuses pests and breaks up their all-you-can-eat signals. Sow radishes as your cucumber's first line of defense. Our next companion is the vibrant nasturtium, an edible flower and pest magnet. Nasturtiums act as trap crops, luring aphids and other pests away from your radishes. Plant them near or among radishes to create a living decoy. Manage pests on nasturtiums, not your food crops. Their peppery scent also deters beetles and squash bugs, adding extra protection. Nasturtiums are easy to grow, suppress weeds, and keep soil cool. Plus, their edible leaves and flowers add color and flavor to salads. It's a win-win: pest control, beauty, and bonus harvest. Finally, let's add some finesse with aromatic herbs, especially chervil. Chervil's delicate leaves and anise flavor may subtly enhance radish taste and deter pests like slugs and aphids. Both are cool season crops, so sow them together for easy care. Chervil's low growth won't compete for space or light. Other herbs, mint in containers, rosemary, can also repel pests and confuse their sense of smell. Mixing herbs into your patch creates an aromatic shield, making it harder for pests to find your radishes. Experiment with combinations for flavor and protection. A diverse, fragrant garden is a resilient one. And there you have it, the secret social life of the radish. From carrots to nasturtiums, every companion brings unique benefits. Think of your garden as a community, not just rows, for a more resilient and productive patch. Try these pairings, observe, and share your results in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more tips, and happy gardening.